Lenovo showed off the Legion GO 2 at CES 2025, and it's bringing some serious upgrades over the original. A better display, bigger battery, and more power under the hood. But is it enough to make a dent in the handheld gaming market? Lenovo took feedback from the original Legion GO and made some big changes. The most noticeable upgrade? The display. This time, they've gone OLED, giving us an 8.8-inch 1920 by 1200 panel with 144 Hz refresh rate. This means better contrast, deeper blacks, and smoother visuals. Powering the device is the new AMD Ryzen Z 2 Extreme APU. This should offer a solid improvement over the original. Another major upgrade is the battery. It has been bumped up to 74 watt-hours, but how long will it hold up with the new APU is yet to be seen. The controller design has also been tweaked, keeping the detachable format, but with better ergonomics, a circular D-pad, and built-in USB-C charging. Legion GO 2 has an improved cooling system, promising better thermals and a quieter fan design. Overall, it seems like a refined version of its predecessor, focusing on user comfort, screen quality, and battery life. Now, how does it compare to the other big names? ROG Ally X runs on the Ryzen Z1 Extreme, while the Legion GO 2 features the Ryzen Z2 Extreme. That means Lenovo's new handheld should have an edge. The Steam Deck Oled is still running older Zen 2 architecture with RDNA2 graphics, making it the least powerful of the three. One of the more interesting differences between the Legion GO 2 and the Steam Deck is the touchpad design. Unlike the Steam Deck, the Legion GO 2 retains a single, smaller touchpad. The Legion GO S SteamOS model will also feature a touchpad, but it's much smaller than Valve's. While Lenovo's implementation might not be as precise as the Steam Deck's dual setup, it still provides a useful alternative to joystick input. The original Legion GO's touchpad was considered too small for precise control, and it remains to be seen whether Lenovo has improved on that aspect with the Legion GO 2. If they've refined the sensitivity and accuracy, the single touchpad could still be a valuable addition for navigating windows and playing strategy-heavy games. Legion GO 2 clearly wins in screen size and refresh rate. ROG Ally X and Steam Deck Oled both have great displays, but neither can match the size and smoothness of the Legion GO 2. With a 74 watt-hour battery, the Legion GO 2 outlasts its predecessor and should compete well with the ROG Ally X. The Steam Deck Oled may be more power efficient, but it's working with a small battery, which means shorter sessions unless you're conservative with settings. The Legion GO 2 is shaping up to be a powerhouse with a better screen, improved battery, and stronger performance. If you've been waiting for a bigger display and more power in a handheld, this might be worth keeping an eye on. That said, if battery life and software optimization matter more to you, you might want to wait for full reviews before making a decision. As I said before, it's still not clear how long the battery lasts with the new processor. What do you think? Would you pick up the Legion GO 2? Let me know your thoughts on it, and as always, I'll meet you on the next video.
AO search. I'm not detecting any new AO crystal readings.